So three photo editors, three completely different editing experience. So which one is the best one? Let's settle it down. So the Luminar Leo is a AI powered photo editor designed for photographers who want like a fast, impressive results with minimal effort. It focuses heavily on automation, on like one-click enhancement and creative tools. The Lightroom, the Adobe Lightroom here is the industry standard editing software, which is well known, used by like photographers, creators, and professionals worldwide. Okay, it like combines photo organization, raw editing, presets, and everything. And the other one, the Capture One here, is the high-end RAW editor, known for exceptional color grading and tethering and image quality. It's popular among like studios and commercial photographers. So if we look into the pros of these Luminar Leo is that it's extremely beginner friendly. It has powerful AI tools like sky replacement, portrait enhancement, faster edits with minimal manual work. And it gives you a lot of creative effects feel, which is like fun and modern. And the Lightroom here is best and for all-round workflow for most photographers. It has excellent raw editing and presets available, and it has seamless integration with Photoshop. And the other one here, the Capture One, it has incredible color accuracy and skin tone. It's excellent for detail preservation in raw files and preferred by many commercial professionals. But on the downside here, the Luminar Leo, the AI edits can sometimes look over-processed and the performance also can feel a bit inconsistent. And the Lightroom here also has some drawbacks, like it's only subscription based, so you have to pay for it for most features. And the AI tools are improving, but it's not great. And also it requires the Adobe ecosystem in order to fully utilize this. And the Capture One has some drawbacks like expensive compared to other competitors, and also it has a steeper learning curve, so it's quite tricky for beginners. And also like it has a smaller presets available compared to other systems. So if you're a beginner or a content creator, just go with Luminar Leo. It's fast, creative, and makes your photos look impressive. But if you want the best overall balance, then choose Adobe Lightroom because it's still the safest and most versatile choice for photographers. Like if you prefer reliability and professional quality. But if you're like a professional studio or a commercial photographer, you can try the Capture One. It's because the color science, tethering, and precise tools are simply on another level, so you can try that.